Okay, homies, call me crazy, but I feel like if you saw me walking around LA with Travis, you wouldn't notice the difference. That's how much I killed it. Hey homies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Honeybee, and on this week's episode of Famous Hair, we are going to be doing a Kourtney Kardashian inspired ponytail. I'll put the inspo right here. So super cute. She was at a UFC fight that night, and I don't know, I thought the ponytail was banging. It's pretty easy, so let's give her a whirl. First thing you want to do for this look is curl your hair. Make sure you use heat protected beforehand. You just want to have some texture in there. We're gonna section out a triangle like this at the top. Go from kind of like corner to corner of your forehead and go till your fingers touch. Take out this section. So when you take it at a diagonal, that means when you brush it back, you're not gonna see this part line. And the easiest way to section is to trace your fingers along your head, and they'll just naturally meet each other in the center, okay? So if your hair is knotty at all, brush the crap out of it, buddy. This look is easier to do if your hair is a little dirty, and if it's not dirty, use a texturizing spray. I'm using this one from a brand called Amika. It's called Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. Ooh, she bites. Okay, I'm suffocating myself. Oh, damn. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. If there's any looks you guys want to learn, then let me know in the comment box below. So we want to put a ponytail right here at the top of the crown. The higher you go, the perkier the ponytail. But also, the higher you go on your crown, the more difficult it is to put that ponytail in. So I'm just gonna brush all this hair into my hand. Actually, I'm just gonna push all the hair into my hand for now. Oh my gosh. If we can pull this off, man. I'm a genie in the bottle, baby. Come and rub me the right way, honey. As long as you put like a little bit of effort into it, you'll be fine. And make sure you're looking in a mirror because you want it to be centered. The hand that's holding the ponytail, you need to hold the crap out of it in order to get it really like sleek. Okay, I can't really show you guys, but I'm spraying hairspray onto my brush right now. It's in my lap. And now I'm gonna get in there. And when you think you're about done, lean back and then, ooh, brush that up. Damn. And if it's all perfect, if you feel rippling, like, don't kill yourself. Come on, do the best you can. The ponytail is gonna hide any rippling back here anyway. Just make sure it's, you know, quite tight as possible. Okay, so I was watching this Hailey Bieber video, you guys. I'm so into her right now. As she said from her Met Gala look, I'll post it here. I think it was 2019 with the cute little flipped up ponytail. She got a freaking bald spot, man, because it was so hot. Okay, put that ponytail in. See, even I have a little rippling here. It's hard to do on yourself, but it's hard to do in general. So, you know, as long as you're trying, you're killing it. I really tried to go for a Kourtney look today, guys. What do you think? I hope you like it. Hit me, baby, one more time. Also, I have extensions, so I'm like Spider-Man. I have extensions. And I could have done the super long ponytail like Kourtney had. I want this to be real. Like, I want you guys to be able to go out and do this. Who has extra extensions just laying around and put them on themselves? That's so annoying. You guys are more likely to do it with your own natural hair, right? Nasty. Should we just leave it like this? You want to create a straight part because we all about that part, you know what I'm saying? So you want to kind of measure it like that all the way back. Do it. If you do it with a comb, you're gonna get that nice line like that. You know what I mean? Brush it beforehand, just like you did with the rest of the hair. Okay, so I live in Manitoba, and overnight tonight it's supposed to be -12. Ew. Oh, also it's April 8th. Like freaking wackadoodle. I hate it. Okay, folks, next thing, make sure you have another ponytail. I'm gonna use another one like this. Ooh, this one's sturdy. And take one section at a time and brush it straight back. Like straight back. If you're pulling it too much like this, you're gonna lose that part. Okay, I'm gonna hold it taut as I put that ponytail around. Look in the mirror, make sure you like it before you put the ponytail in. Oh, I'm getting little hairs all over my boobs. It's like a freaking shelf, man. This thing's taut, man. This is a corset. It has boning and everything. But I got this thing from Valley Village a long time ago and I just had it stashed, and then I was like looking at Kourtney's inspo photos and I was like, oh my gosh, perfect. Woo! She'll get ya. Okay, homies, that's actually looking really good. Spray hairspray on your hair. This is gonna add shine and it's gonna help it to stay. You guys see that? Ooh. Oh my god, it's so tight, baby. Okay, I have a little tips. What do you guys say? Honestly, I'm not even done. Okay, well, let's finish the look. Okay. Next, you want to use a little elastic, like, okay, so this clear one I think should do the trick. It's a little bigger. So put it just a little bit above your other ponytails there. Okay, you see how it's like a little bit above? Now, squeeze the ponytail. It makes it super pretty. Don't go too wide here because then you'll have too much of like this bulge, because we're gonna cover that up. Okay, after that, folks, get your bobby pins ready. Take a piece from the back. Okay, and when you wrap it around, freaking hold it taut, Holmes. Oh yeah, I'm holding that tight, baby, tight, tight. You wanna make sure you have enough left at the end of your rope here where you could pin it behind the ponytail. If you put the bobby pin in towards the ponytail, it's gonna hold a lot better. Okay, homies, last trick of the day. This works best with a pretty fluffy makeup brush and a brow palette, but all I have is eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna use the most neutral kind of brownie color that matches my hair. Maybe I'll go a little darker so you guys can see on camera. So now I'm just gonna fill in my hairline. Use light strokes. And you don't want to do too much where it looks like a wig buddy, but oh my gosh, what do you guys think? Ooh, honey. Ooh, baby. Okay, girls, this is the final look. I think we killed it. You can skip little things like that. You could skip the eyeshadow. You could skip that, you know, that little elastic to make it pop up more. If you want ponytail to sit back a little more, that's fine too. Thanks so much for watching this week's episode of Famous Hair. If you guys love this look, then please, if you love this look, then please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.